Ghana, West Africa's cocoa capital, has seen rapid economic growth in recent years, with significant expansion in its intercity passenger transport market. Yutong vans have gained market recognition through their reliability, fuel efficiency, and professional design. However, Ghana's tropical climate featuring year-round high temperatures and concentrated rainy seasons, plus complex intercity road conditions pose severe challenges for vehicle reliability and adaptability. Today, we're taking Yutong van on Ghana's routes to see how it performs in real-world conditions.
Greetings from Accra. Before we begin, let's welcome today's key players, the approaching Yutong van, along with Yutong product engineer. Welcome. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Kong Ching, Yutong product engineer. Thank you for your attention and involvement.
Today, we'll drive from Accra to Kumasi, Ghana's most critical intercity route, traversing congeskedness, paved and unpaved roads, to evaluate Yutong's van performance. Come with us. By the way, we have another amazing guest in Kumasi who is a Yutong bus customer. He has amazing insights to share. The seat is very comfortable. The seat pitch and aisle provide ample room for your legs. Is this a 15-seat model?
Yes, this van offers 15 standard seats, ideal for high-frequency passenger transport scenarios.
That is true. Full prices in Ghana aren't though. So could you share some operational features of the Yutong van that makes it operational efficient?
Certainly. From its inception, Yutong van was developed as a professional van that masters your operations. A core component of this professionalism is low energy consumption, directly impacting operational costs for customers. For optimal fuel economy, the vehicle features 3 drive modes: standard, power, and economy, and also precision engine calibration with software optimized for multi-condition adaptability to varying road conditions and environments. Under the same working condition, Yutong van achieves 5% to 8% better fuel efficiency based on an annual mileage of 100,000 kilometers. This translates to approximately 1,000 liters of fuel saved per vehicle annually.
For an entire fleet, those savings will be substantial. I think reliability is important. Ghana has a high temperature with heavy rainfall, steep inclines, so to have a vehicle with this much speed during this condition is very important.
Yes, reliability is a core value of Yutong vans. The vehicle is designed for a 2 million kilometer operational lifespan, validated through 2 million kilometer reliability tests in extreme heat, cold, and high altitude environments. Besides, 100% full coverage anti-corrosion coating ensures 20-year corrosion resistance. Critical for Ghana's high temperatures, humidity, and corrosive conditions, Yutong van is fully capable of handling it. Beyond this, Yutong's rear dual-tire design enhances traction on rough terrains and high-speed routes. With 163 horsepower, 400 Nm torque, and a 40% maximum gradability, the vehicle ensures excellent trafficability and smooth, stable mobility. During rainy seasons, the Bosch ESP system, combined with rear dual tires, enhances stability and safety on slippery surfaces.
This is precisely why Yutong van is called more professional. We've reached our checkpoints. Let's check the current mileage. We've currently driven approximately 123.4 kilometers. With more road ahead, let's go out to check the vehicle's appearance again. Vehicle's LED headlights feature a front-mounted camera. Now, let's check the rear. The rear dual-tire design is complemented by reverse radars. Open the luggage compartment and you see there's plenty of room for all your luggages.
Indeed, the spacious luggage capacity addresses last-minute transport demands easily.
Absolutely. Let's hop in and continue with our travel. arrived at our final destination, completing 267.6 kilometers. Now, we invite our client, Mr. Dennis. Hello, Mr. Dennis. Welcome.
Thank you.
Mr. Dennis here will help reveal the final fuel consumption per 100 kilometers. Thank you, Mr. Dennis.
You're welcome.
Having evaluated it, can you now reveal to us the final fuel consumption after 100 kilometers?
The final fuel consumption per 100 kilometers of the Yutong van is 9.2. Wow.
That's super amazing.
Great achievement.
Thank you. Now, how would you evaluate the Yutong van?
I'm really impressed with the safety, the reliability, and the professional rear dual tire design and the ride comfort.
Indeed he is. Having brought this research to an end, I can confidently say Yutong van helps operators lower operating costs. Yutong van, super reliable, comfortable, durable, professional, and intelligent. Yutong van, simply amazing.
Yutong Van, a professional van that masters your operations, delivers a more reliable, economical, and comfortable solution for efficient, high-quality passenger transport. Yutong Van, best rewards.